In the programming section, what we have discussed earlier, we said that every time we're supposed to fetch the data which is present in the next location, right? We're supposed to fetch the data which is present in the next location. We are supposed to send it for processing, perform the operation, and then we will go for fetching the next data. So this was the programming we had taken. So here you can see that we have shown you the locations like I plus 4, I plus 8, right? So here every time we are supposed to increment the address so that we can go to the next location and we can fetch the data which is present in that location. So for that we need a special register. That special register we call it as program counter. So program counter, it will hold the address of the next instruction to be fetched. Once that instruction is fetched, it will be sent to another special register. We call it as instruction register, nothing but IR, which will look for the processing, perform the computation, and it will give you the result. So every time we need two instructions, that is PC and IR. The PC will hold the address of the next instruction to be fetched and executed, and once fetching is done, it will be given to IR, where it will look for the processing, perform the computation, and will get you the result. So when we say an instruction is getting executed, it will be executed in two phases. One is instruction fetch and the other one is instruction execution. So fetching of the instruction, of course, it has to be decided by taking the address location. So that address location are nothing but which will hold the address of the next location is nothing but program counter. So there are two special register. One is program counter and the other one is instruction register. Program counter will hold the address of the next instruction to be fetched and executed. For example, so initially it was pointing here. Once it was fetched, it will point to PC plus 4. What we have shown here, I plus 4. Next it will be PC plus 4. Then it will be PC plus 8. So it will keep on increasing. So program counter will hold the address of the next instruction to be fetched, and the fetched instruction will be sent to IR, where it will look for processing and perform the computation and gives you the result.